Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to give access to Facebook page. If you want to give someone full administrative control over your Facebook business or organization page, you can assign that person a role in your page settings. The steps differ depending on whether your page uses the classic experience or the new experience. But I will show you how to give access on mobile. Open the Facebook mobile app. Many older pages still have the classic pages experience, an older styles layout, while others now have the new pages experience. If you don't see the same options, see this method instead. In the new pages experience, admin is replaced with full control. Giving someone full control allows them to perform all administrative tasks, including adding or removing admins, changing permissions, and deleting the page. If you don't want to give full control, you can give partial control or also assign specific tasks like content creations, ads, insights, community activity, or messages and calls. Now go to your page. Tap the menu icon, which you'll see at bottom right corner on your phone or at the top right of an Android. Tap the down arrow next to your name at the top and tap the page you want to assign an admin role to. Then, tap the profile icon or the three lines. It's the icon with your page's profile image or an outline of a person inside of a circle. Then, tap Settings and Privacy. It's near the bottom of the profile menu, and this expands the settings and privacy options. Then, tap Settings. Now, tap Page Setup. Then, tap View next to Page Access. This displays a list of people with roles on the page, including current admins, editors, and moderators. If you want to change someone's access from partial to full control, tap the three dots next to the person's name, select Edit Access, and change the control access, then tap Update Access. Then, tap Add New. It's next to people with Facebook access. Some information about roles will appear. Alternatively, if you want to give someone partial access to your Facebook page, tap Add New next to people with task access instead. Then tap Next. It's the blue button at the bottom of the screen. Type the name or email address of the person you want to add. If you type someone's name, a list of search results will appear. Tap the person you want to add when you see them. Then tap the switch to give the user full control. The switch will turn blue, which means you'll be giving that person total administrative access to the page. If you're assigning some task access, tap the toggle switches next to the roles you want to allow them to have access to. Then, last, tap Give Access. You'll be asked to confirm your password, and once confirmed, the selected user will receive an email invitation to manage the page. Once they access the invitation, they'll have full control. To access the invitation, the person can click the link in the email images they receive from Facebook or tap the notification in Facebook. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.